Hello my dear friend, today I am going to start my recording as chapter number 8, differential equations. So before going to start, I am using this website which is called Math is a Fun. I'm using this one for explaining the topic. So before going to write something, just I want to tell you that one, what is differential equation? Any type of equation which is written as like in the form of derivative with its dependent and independent variable. In the form of derivative means this dy dx is called derivative, and equal written, so that means it is called equation. Any type of equation which is written in the form of derivative with its dependent and independent variable is called differential equation. So this is the example of differential equation. Number one thing. Number second thing is, if the differential equation is given here, any type of function which has used as one dependent and one independent variable, then it is called ordinary differential equation. If it is written as using one dependent and two or more than two independent variables, then it is called partial differential equation. So we will discuss only, we will check in this topic, in chapter number 8, only ordinary differential equation. So after that one, just I want to show you that ordinary differential equation means has dependent variable, has single independent variable x. Actually here they write wrong, x, and partial differential equation has two or more independent variable. So I am going to deal here ordinary differential equations. What is the ordinary differential equations? And now I am going to check what is order and degree. Order and degree means the maximum order derivative. Maximum order derivative means how many times it is differentiating. So when I check that one, it is mentioned as d2i dx2. That means it is differentiating two times, so its order is 2, and the power of the maximum is called degree. So degree is 3 and order is 2, this one. So many examples are there. Dy dx plus y square is equal to, so it is first order differential equation. D2y dx2 plus xy is equal to sin x is maximum order, maximum derivative is 2, so order is 2. See here, maximum derivative is 3, so order is 3, like that. And the power of the maximum order derivative is called degree. So see here, dy dx power 2 plus this. So maximum order derivative is 1. So degree of that differential equation is 2 here. See that one here, d3y dx2 plus dy dx power 2. So maximum order is this one. So degree of this differential equation is 1, and order is 3. By using that one, so I just want to show you few examples, then I will come to the point. What is the order of the differential equation? So here order means what is the order of the differential equation. You can check in your home also. Order of the differential equation means maximum order is 1, so maximum derivative is 1, so order is 1. So you can check by clicking yes. See that one? Yes, it is correct. Now the second thing, what is the order of the differential equation? See that one? Maximum derivative is 3, so order is 3. So 5, 4, C 3 and D2. So you can check options. So order is 3 here. Now we can check what is the order of the differential equation. d2s dt square plus ds dt. So that means order second times derivative, so order is 2. You can check by using that one. See that one? If you check by mistakes 3 here, so see you choose C, but it is not correct. B is correct answer. So what is the order? B. So like that you can practice here. Like that you can practice differential equation. See that one? This is this one website is Math is Fun. This website is called Math is Fun. So now I am going to tell you how to check that what is ordinary differential equation and what is other. So we will not discuss any other, just only if suppose that y is equal to fx function is given, that means here x is independent variable, x is independent variable If this type of functions is given, then if you differentiate and if you write like dy dx, means you are going to write the derivative of this function. For example, if you have y is equal to x square plus 5, if I'm going to check what is the dy dx, so you say that 2x. If you differentiate again, then you will get d2y dx2 is equal to 2. If you differentiate again, d3y dx cube, and it is 0. So like that one. So it means that one, see that one here equal sign is given, so it is called differential equation. So anywhere, any type of mathematical term which is written in the form of equation, with its in the form of equation as well as in the form of derivative with dependent, this is dependent variable and this is independent variable, then it is called ordinary differential equation. This is called dependent variable and this is called independent variable. Here x is also independent variable. If any type of equation which is written in the form of derivative with its dependent and independent variable, and then it is called differential equation, number one thing. Number second thing is order of differential equation. Order of differential equation means how many times differentiating. So see that one, first time derivative, that means order is 1. So in this question order is 1. d2y dx2, that means 2 times differentiating, so it means order is 2. d3y dx cube, that means 3 times differentiating, that means order is 3. Number one thing. So just I am going to pick any one type of mixed differential equation like d2y dx2 plus dy dx plus y is equal to sine x. If I want to know what is the order and degree, then we need to nothing, just maximum derivatives. Maximum derivative is d2y dx2. So maximum derivative means maximum order, means order of this differential equation is 2. Order of this differential equation is 2. If you want to find the degree of the differential equation, degree of differential equation, so degree of differential equation is nothing but the power of the maximum order derivative. That means suppose here d2y dx2 is written plus dy dx power 2 plus y is equal to sine x is given. Suppose any type of differential equation is given like that one. So how we can check what is the order and what is the degree of the differential equation? So order means we need to check maximum derivative. So maximum derivative is, see that one, d2y dx2. So order of this one is, order of this differential equation is 2 because of second maximum derivative is 2. Number one thing. Number second thing, how we need to check degree. So degree means the maximum order derivative, power of the maximum order derivative. So maximum order is this, so we need to check what is the power of that one. So we can write it d2y dx2 power 1 and dy dx power 2. So but this is not maximum order, this is the maximum order and the power of this maximum order is 1, so the degree of this differential equation is 1. So we can say we can check what is the order and degree differential equation of the differential equation, and you can use, which I showed to you, this website, Math is Fun. I showed you, but you can use this website and then you can practice related to that, how to find order and degree of the differential equation. How to find order and degree of the differential equation. Now I am going to tell you how to form the differential equation. Formation of differential equation is nothing but it means making of differential equation. For example, just I want to tell you that formation of differential equation. Differential, d dot e means differential equation. Just I want to show you that suppose if I have y is equal to e power x, if I say find dy dx, so dy dx is equal to e power x. So see that one, this is equation, and it is written in the form of derivative with dependent and independent variable, so it is called differential equation. So formation of differential equation means finding derivatives. Y is equal to sine x. If I say find its derivative, dy dx is equal to cosine x, we get. But if I have like that, y is equal to x square plus 5x. If I say find its derivative, dy dx is equal to 2x plus 5. So you say when you differentiate it, 1 times means order is 1. Now see that one. If you say d2y dx2, so it is coming 2. If you say d3y dx cube, so it is coming 0. So it means that one, see, you can differentiate d3y dx cube, d4y dx power 4 like that one. That means if you say this is y1, 2x plus 5, y2 is 2, y3 is 0, y4 is 0, y5 is 0. So it means that one you can write of this one or this one or this one any order. That means dy dx means y1. So y2 is e power x, y3 is e power x. Here also y2 is minus sin x and so on. So it means that one where I need to stop, because of you can write the next derivative, next derivative, next derivative, then you cannot find the stoppage. For a stoppage means how many times we need to differentiate, we want to discuss in this topic, which is nothing but it's called as formation of differential equation. For formation of differential equation is nothing, it means that one you need to differentiate 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. So if I am writing here steps, if first number, if question in the question example, if one parameter or sometimes arbitrary constants one parameter or arbitrary constant is given, then if one parameter or one arbitrary constant is given, then differentiate the function one time. And if two parameter given, then differentiate the function 2 times. Number one thing. Second step is after differentiating, eliminate parameter from the function. Whatever you got, that one is called formation of differential equation. Now I'm going to pick one solid example from the handout. Find the differential equation from a straight line y is equal to mx, where m is parameter. So in this question, it is given that m is parameter. That means for writing or for formation of differential equation, it is very important that we need to check how many parameters are given. So if one parameter is given, see that one m is parameter, then it means that one we need to differentiate 1 times, and after differentiating 1 times we need to cancel, eliminate m. So what is that one? Just I am going to show you by using that one. Y is equal to mx function is given. It means that we need to differentiate one times. So one time differentiation means dy dx is equal to m because of dy dx is, or we can say like that one also. We can say like that one. Maybe someone do not. So differentiate. That means d dx of y is equal to m d dx of x. So d dx of y, it means that d dx of y means dy dx equal to m d dx of x is 1. So this is the differentiation. So means differentiation step completed. You need to differentiate one time because of one parameter is given. After that one, what we have to do? Eliminate this m from the equation. So I am assuming that one, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So what we have to do using first and second means from equation number 1 and 2, what we have to do, see that one, y is equal to m. M means here dy dx multiplied by x, or we can say that y is equal to x dy dx. So see that one, there is no parameter is available and this is derivative also. That means this is differential equation. So this is the answer of that question. Means formation of differential equation by eliminating the parameters. Formation of differential equation by eliminating the parameters. Now I'm taking another example from the handout, which is solved example. Form a differential equation from a relation y is equal to a cosine x plus b sin x, where a and b are constant. Here constant is not actually the term. Here it should be written as parameter or arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant or parameter. So see that one, here we need to, if we need to form the differential equation, we need to check how many parameters are given. So see that one, a and b parameters is given. It means that if two parameters is given, then we need to differentiate the function two times. So I'm going to write y is equal to a cosine of x plus b sine of x. Now because of a and b, two parameters are given, so we need to differentiate it with respect to x two times. So now I'm going to differentiate. So d dx of y, a is constant, d dx of cosine x plus b d dx of sine x. Now differentiate it. So d dx of y means dy dx is equal to a, d dx of cosine means minus sine x, plus b d dx of sine x is cosine x. So see that one, this is first derivative, but because of two parameters is given, so we need to differentiate two times. So what we have to do, again differentiate this one with respect to x, again differentiate this one with respect to x. So again differentiating it with respect to x, we get d dx of dy dx is equal to minus a times d dx of sine x plus b times d dx of cosine x. d dx of dy dx means d2i dx2 is equal to minus a d dx of sine x means cosine of x, and b d dx of cosine is minus sine x. Now derivative process is finished because of we need to differentiate only two times because of two parameters is given. After differentiation process, we need to cancel, we need to eliminate, we need to delete a and b. How we can see that one? Very easy. If we write this one as d2 dx2, keep minus common, so in the bracket it is coming a cosine x plus b sine x. In the bracket see that one, we can write it a cosine x plus b sin x, and it means that d2i dx2 is equal to minus a cosine x plus b sin x is given as function cushion. So in place of, we can write it y. So see that one, or we can write d2i dx2 plus y is equal to 0. This is the answer of that one, which means formation of differential equation. See that one, there is no parameter, so that means it is called formation of differential equation. Now I am going to tell you few examples from the exercise. This is exercise 8.1. Form the differential equation. Form the differential equation of this function. This is question number 1, where a is this one. A is parameter. A is parameter. So it means that one, capital A is parameter. That means one parameter is given. So for writing the formation of differential equation, what we need to check? See that one, just copy the question and simplify it. So if we need to simplify, see, we can write it by using cross. It comes x square plus a divided by x. And now again use the cross multiplication. When you use the cross multiplication, it comes now x multiplied by this, x multiplied by y is equal to x square plus a. Now see that one, a parameter is given, so it means that one, we need to differentiate one time. So now differentiate this one. So differentiate this one means u into v method. That means d dx of uv is u v dash plus v u dash. Differentiate this one and then you will get this function. Now see that one, d dx of x into y equal to d dx of x square plus d dx of a capital. So use here u into v method. So u v dash, that means d dx of y means dy dx plus v and then d dx of x, and d dx of x square means 2x and d dx of a means 0. So see that one, there is no parameter is given. It means this is called answer. So or we can simplify it, x dy dx plus y d dx of x is 1. So it is, this is the answer of that question. This is the answer of that question. Now I'm going to pick another question from the handout. This is question number C part. Form the differential equation of y is equal to 5x square plus a. That means, see that one, a is parameter is given. That means one parameter is given. So we need to differentiate only one time. So d dx of y is equal to d dx of 5x square plus d dx of a. So d dx of y, it means that d dx of y is dy dx equal to d dx of 5x square is 10x plus d dx of a is 0. So see that one, there is no parameter. That means this is the answer of the question. This is the answer of that question, my dear students.